Languages is another free online resource at Tech Centennial Library that you can use. All you need is your library card. You can learn over 50 languages through Mango Languages. It's free, has self-guided learning, provides cultural notes to help you learn why they say different things. It's easy to use, and you can use it at home or at the library. To get on, you will go on to www.olsn.ca/KirklandLakePL and then go on to online resources. So just click that there in green, and then you will scroll down until you find Mango Languages. It's in about the middle of the page. Once you find it, you will click on the colored words and just double click, and it will take you to this page here where it will ask you if you want to log in through login or guest access. The difference between the two is that guest access will take you on right away, but it will not save your work like a guest, whereas logging in, you will create an account and it will save your progress. If you're at home, you need your library card to get in either way. However, if you are doing this at the library, you can go right in automatically. So let's say you want to make an account so you could save your progress. What you would do is click on Create One underneath Login to sign up, and then you would put in your name, your email, and come up with a password, and then click Sign Up. And if you were at home, it would also ask you for your library card after that. So it's just the barcode at the back of your card. So to get started, you would choose which way you want to go in. So I'm just going to do guest access, and because I'm at the library, not at school, it happens I can go in right away, don't have to put in my library card. And it will take you to this page. It's the home page, and it's just showing you all the top languages. If you go over one, it takes you to all languages. And as you can see in alphabetical order, there are lots of languages to choose from. Then you can click over and go to Learn English, which is learning English as a second language. And there's lots of different languages to learn English from as a second language. Now we're under specialty courses, which is a lot of fun things like endangered languages and other ones that you can look at, carnival languages. There's also movies to watch. And then under kids, there's things specifically made for kids like how to learn pirate. For this example, we will use French. So you just click on the language you want, and then it takes you to this page here where there are 3 different options of classes you can take: Mango Conversations, Wine and Cheese, or Romance. Mango Conversations is the basic one. So this will be your basic guide to Mango. We just will do Mango Conversations for the purpose of this video. You click on Get Started. Now this pops up just saying that Firefox has blocked Adobe Flash. Don't worry about it, just click Allow if this happens to you, and then Allow again, and then the video will start running, and then you'll just wait for it to load, and then it'll take you to this page. And if you already know the language, you can do a placement test, or you can just click on Start Learning. This is the index here telling you what you're going to be learning. Click on the arrow. And what you can't hear it, unfortunately, but they're just replaying a conversation of the things that you'll be learning. And then on this page here, it tells you at the top the words in English, and then underneath the words in French. And then you can click on the replay to hear what the narrator's saying, the center in green again to see how it's spelled, and also to hear the words in French. And then the other one is a recording button. So if you click on that, it does voice comparison. And the purpose of this is to listen to the narrator's voice, and then for you to record your own voice and to compare it. So if you click on record, and then you say the words right away, and then do stop recording, and it will record your voice. In green is the narrator's voice. If you click on that, you can listen to the narrator speaking. The one underneath of it is orange, would be your voice, and so you would click on that to hear your voice speaking. And I do apologize because you can't hear what's actually going on. If you want to hear both voices together, you would click on both, and then that's how you compare them. And so then you would listen and you would try and decide if you were pronouncing it properly with the right accent. At the top here are the words written individually to show you how it's spelled phonetically. And then to go back to the lesson, you would click on the arrow, and it takes you to stage 2 of the lesson. To go backwards, if you still wanted to practice on the first sentence, you would just click on the back arrow and it would take you to this page. So it's pretty much just going back and forth, self-guided at your own pace, what you think you need to learn. Now if you go to the top there and click on chapter lesson, you can skip to different lessons and chapters if you were curious to see what you'd be learning after that. And then when you're done, you would click on X. And that's basically a quick guide on how to use Mango Languages. So just try it and explore and learn another language. Have fun!